The next asset which is relevant for wealth tax purpose is a yacht, boats, and aircrafts. Now first understand the meaning of these yachts and boats. Now does it include a ship also? The answer is no. A ship is neither a yacht nor the boat. And aircrafts. Now when again we say aircraft, helicopters, okay, are not included. Okay. So yachts, boats and aircrafts excluding one used by the assessee for commercial purposes. Okay. So if you have any yacht, a boat or an aircraft, that will be included in the asset. Now, how do you know whether an asset is used for commercial purposes or not? This can be ascertained from the license granted by relevant authority. So let's say for an aircraft it will be Ministry of Civil Aviation. Okay. So you check the license given by the Ministry of Civil Aviation and you will know whether the aircraft is meant for commercial purposes or not. Now the other point is that if held as stock in trade, so if either of these three are held as stock in trade, as per Institute of Chartered Accountants, these are held for commercial purposes. Okay. Now aircrafts or helicopters used for commercial purposes are not assets. That's what is also meant out over here.